What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be changing the front struts on a 2013 Dodge Charger SE. So let's get to it. Use a 23mm socket to loosen the wheel lug nuts while the car is on the ground. Engage the emergency parking brakes. Raise the front of the vehicle with a floor jack. Place a 2x4 on the floor jack to protect the frame and support the vehicle on jack stands. Remove the upper strut bolt cover. Use a 13mm socket to loosen the nuts. With the wheel off, use a floor jack to support the lower control arm. Use an 18mm wrench and a 6-hex socket to remove the upper control nut. Hammer around the control arm to break it loose. Loosen the 22mm sway bar nut. The nut on the sway bar link came out smooth, but sometimes that's not the case. You have to use a pair of locking pliers to keep the sway bar link stud from rotating. Or another method would be holding the sway bar link nut with a wrench and using a 10mm socket to turn the stud clockwise. Use an 18mm socket to loosen the lower strut bolt. Lower the floor jack and remove the strut. The nut on the OEM strut is mounted on it. Make sure that the new struts come with the hardware nut. If not, you will have to source the nut at a hardware store or the junkyard. To align the strut with the lower hole, insert a flathead screwdriver or a wrench where the sway bar goes and pry the strut while inserting the bolt. Install everything back and you're done. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. Late.